You are probably aware of Pythagoras' theorem. The proof, however, is not so obvious. Construct a square where each side is length a plus b. The blue square has an area of a plus b squared. The same area can be found by replicating the initial triangle. Each blue triangle has an area of AB over 2, of which we have a total of 4. The area of the red square, c squared, can be added to complete the total. We have found two equations for finding the same area. If we cancel out 2AB, we are left with something familiar.